Hello children, today we are going to start our next lesson in English. The little fir tree. Look at this picture. This is a fir tree. It is in the shape of a cone. Recently you have studied about 3D shapes in mathematics. This is one of the 3D shapes, cone. Today we'll read this lesson thoroughly. So let's begin. The little fir tree. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So one day a magician was returning home. What was the name of that magician? Can you tell me? His name was Shetty. And when he was returning home, it started to rain heavily. Shetty wanted to save himself from the rain. So he was looking for a shelter. And what did he see? He saw a little fir tree. And he started running towards that tree so that he can stand under this tree and save himself from the rain. Now let's look at some new words here. Fir tree. As I have already told you, this is a tree in the shape of a cone. Look at these two pictures. These two pictures are from our school campus only. This tree is in the primary section. And this is a fir tree. We decorate it every year on Christmas Day. Now, do you remember this? This is a fir tree. Now, word meanings. Magician. A person who performs magic tricks. Who is a magician? A person who performs magic tricks. Look at this picture. This is a magician. He is performing some magic tricks. Next word, pretty. Pretty means attractive and beautiful. Pretty means attractive and beautiful. Look at this picture. This flower is very beautiful. So I can say this is a pretty flower. Let's continue. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. So now this magician was very happy that he did not get wet in the rain. And why did he not get wet? Because he was standing under this little fir tree. So he was happy with the tree. And he wanted to give some reward to this tree. He gave him 4 wishes. He gave 4 wishes to this tree and he will fulfill them with his magic tricks. So let's see some of the new words here. Reward. Reward means something given when you have done some good work. Reward is something you get when you do something good. A prize that you get on doing some good work. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So now we see that this fir tree was very sad. Why was he sad? Because he had leaves like needles. And because of that, no birds ever made their nests on it. The tree was all alone. So he wanted to have some leaves like some of his friends. And this wish was granted by the magic tricks. His leaves became like other trees. Now what happened? Goats came and started eating its leaves. And the tree became sad once again because he did not wanted anyone to eat his leaves. So he wished for gold leaves. He wished that he should have gold leaves as goats do not eat gold leaves. So now let's look at the new words. Needle. Thin piece of metal with sharp pointed end. Needle is a thin piece of metal with sharp and pointed end. And the leaves of fir tree look like small needles. Gold, a precious metal. What is gold? Gold is a precious and expensive metal. It has yellow shine. This is a gold necklace. When the little fir tree woke up next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. "How happy I am," it said. "A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead." Men do not steal glass leaves. So now the second wish of the tree was to have gold leaves. This wish was also fulfilled by the magic tricks, and the tree became very happy. He became happy to have gold leaves. But now what happened? As you all know, gold is very expensive and a very precious metal. So a man came and he stole the gold leaves. And the tree became unhappy again, and he wished that it should have glass leaves, because men do not steal glass leaves, as glass is not expensive like gold. Now word meanings here. Steal. Steal means to take something secretly. To take something secretly without asking someone. If you take their things, that is stealing, and stealing is a bad habit. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. "How happy I am," it said. At night, the wind blew. Whoo! All the glass leaves broke. So now his third wish was to have glass leaves. And this wish was also fulfilled by the magic tricks. And the glass leaves were shining bright in the sun. And the tree was very happy to have the glass leaves. But what happened at the night? When the wind blew, the glass leaves broke. As you know, glass is very delicate. So when wind blew, the glass leaves broke. And the tree became unhappy again. "Oh dear," said the little fir tree. "I like my old needle-like leaves best. For goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will not do them no harm." So now the tree was unhappy to have these glass leaves. He felt that his needle-like leaves are best because goats cannot eat them, men cannot steal them, and wind also cannot do anything wrong with those needle-like leaves. So he wanted to have those needle-like leaves back. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up next morning, it had all its needles back again. "Oh, I never was so happy," said the little fir tree. So now his fourth wish was to have same old needle-like leaves. This wish was fulfilled by the magic tricks again. And the tree became happy. The tree realized that his actual needle-like leaves are the best. So did you understand this story? I hope you all enjoyed this story, and the moral of this story is that we should feel happy in whatever we have. We should feel happy with what we are. Thank you. Have a nice day.